Blackout Bingo updates can sometimes cause loading problems because the app installation, stored files, device settings, or connection can stop working correctly after the change. By the end, you'll know the steps to check when Blackout Bingo gets stuck loading after an update, and which fixes to try first. Start with your internet connection because loading issues are often connected to how the app communicates with its servers. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then open Blackout Bingo again. If the app works on one connection but not the other, your network may be the cause. Next, completely close Blackout Bingo and reopen it. An app that was running during an update may still have old processes active in the background. Closing it forces the app to start fresh. On Android, remove the app from your recent apps list. On iPhone, swipe it away from the app switcher. Then launch Blackout Bingo again and check whether the loading screen moves forward. The next step is checking whether another update is available. Sometimes an app update can be followed by another release that fixes problems discovered after the first update. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Blackout Bingo, and install any available update before testing again. Android users can also try clearing the app cache if the option is available. Cached files are temporary data saved by apps, and outdated files can sometimes interfere after an update. To clear the cache, open your phone settings, go to the app settings, select Blackout Bingo, and use the cache clearing option. This removes temporary files without removing the app completely. If you use an iPhone, reinstalling the app can refresh the installation. Delete Blackout Bingo, download it again from the App Store, and sign in using the same account method you normally use. Before reinstalling, make sure you remember your login details or account connection method. This helps you avoid account access problems after the app is installed again. If Blackout Bingo still will not load after these steps, the issue may be related to the app service, or a problem introduced by the latest update. Check the official support channels or App Store information for updates about known issues. The fastest troubleshooting order is simple: test your connection, restart the app, check for updates, clear temporary files, and reinstall only if the earlier steps do not work. Your next step is to try the connection check first because it takes less than a minute and does not change anything on your device. If this guide fixed your Blackout Bingo loading problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.